Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index rose to 98.45 on Monday, rebounding from a near 2-month low touched last week. Investors are also watching several speeches from Federal Reserve officials, along with key economic data, including the closely watched jobs report. The US economy is expected to add around 60,000 jobs in April, sharply lower than March's 178,000. WTI crude futures rose about 3% on Monday to around $102 as tensions in the Middle East escalated sharply. The US military said Iran's Revolutionary Guard launched cruise missiles at US warships and commercial vessels, while American forces moved to protect merchant ships from drones and small boats deployed by Tehran. These developments came after President Trump announced plans to restore shipping through the key waterway and assist stranded vessels, though ship owners remain cautious amid rising security risks. Gold pulled back below $4,600 on Monday as investors assessed President Trump's plan to escort vessels through the Strait of Hormuz. The initiative is designed to help civilian ships flying flags of non-aligned countries safely leave disputed waters and resume operations. Meanwhile, Iran said it is reviewing Washington's response to its latest 4-point proposal, raising hopes for a diplomatic resolution to the conflict. At the same time, World Gold Council data shows that central banks increased their gold reserves in the first quarter. The dollar-yen pair swung sharply in volatile trading on Monday before stabilizing near 157 yen per dollar as markets remain cautious over the risk of government intervention to support the Japanese currency. Traders are continuing to assess the possibility of further action, as Tokyo has often taken advantage of thin holiday liquidity when carrying out multiple rounds of yen buying. Markets are also considering the possibility of US-Japan coordination to support the currency. The euro traded near $1.17 in early May as investors assessed Middle East tensions, new US tariffs, and growing expectations that the European Central Bank could raise rates as early as June. Markets are now pricing in an 80% chance of a 25 basis point ECB rate hike by June, with at least 2 hikes expected this year. The ECB left rates unchanged last week but kept the door open for future adjustments, citing inflation risks and growth concerns.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.